Now children, before starting with the next exercise, we will study regarding the area of a trapezium and the area of a quadrilateral. So area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. So you can see that these are the parallel sides, that is half into sum of the parallel sides. So you can see that in this trapezium AB is parallel to CD. These are the parallel sides. That means half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. So what is the distance? Let's suppose that the distance between these two parallel sides is D. That is, the distance between these two parallel sides is D. Okay, so we can write that half into sum of the parallel sides, that is AB plus CD into D, where D is the distance between the two parallel sides. So children, formula for the area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Now next is the area of a quadrilateral. So what is the area of a quadrilateral? It is equals to half into D, where D is a diagonal, into H1 plus H2, where H1 and H2 are the heights. Is it clear? So what is the area of a quadrilateral? That is, area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2, where D is the length of the diagonal and H1 and H2 is the height of the perpendicular on this diagonal. Is it clear? Now we'll start with the exercise 11.2. So please get ready children. Take out exercise 11.2, which is on page number 177. Now just go through the first question. Question number 1. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. It is given that the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So everything is given children, that is, the length of the parallel sides is given to you and the distance between the parallel sides is also given to you. So now we can find out the area of a trapezium. It's question number 1. So you can just draw the trapezium over here. I'm just drawing the rough figure. So this is the top surface of a table. This is 1 meter. And this is 1.2 meter and the distance is 0.8 meter, distance between the two parallel sides. Is it clear? Now we can just find the area of a trapezium. So you can write area of a trapezium, area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into distance between them, into distance between them. Now children, with the help of a figure, you can just substitute the values. So half into sum of the parallel sides, that is 1 plus 1.2, 1 plus 1.2, that is the parallel sides length is given to you, into distance between them. So distance between the two parallel sides is 0.8. Now you can just simplify 1 upon 2 into 2.2 into 0.8. So that is 1.1 into 0.8. So it comes out to be 0.8 0.88 meter square. Children, please be careful about the SI units. As you are calculating the area, so your answer should be in square units, that is 0.88 meter square. Okay. Now just see the another question. Just see question number 3. Just go through question number 3 now. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. So it is given the length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. Means perimeter is given to you. If BC is equals to 48 meter, CD is equals to 17 meters and AD is equals to 40 meters, find the area of the field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. So children, again you have to find the side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. You have to again calculate the area of a trapezium. So let's see over here, children. So figure is this is the figure. Just mark it as ABCD, A, B, C and D. Now it is given to you perimeter of a trapezium is 120 meters and the measurement of the sides is given to you. BC is equals to 48 meters. BC it is equals to 48 meters. Then CD is equals to 17 meters. CD is equals to 17 meter. AD is equals to 40 meter. AD is equals to 40 meter. But AB is not given to you. So children, as already it is given to you, that is the perimeter of a trapezium is equals to 120 meter and its three sides measurement is given to you. And as you know, to find the area of a trapezium, formula is that is half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. So you can say distance is not given, that means you have to find the AB, that is distance between the parallel sides AD and BC. So you can just write it down that given perimeter of a trapezium, perimeter of a trapezium is equal to 120 meters. Perimeter of a trapezium is equals to 120 meter. So you can write that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120 meter. Now you can just substitute the values. So BC is 48, CD is 17 and DA is 40 meters, which is equals to 120. So AB, you can just add 8 plus 7, it is 15 plus 0, 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, which is 105, which is equals to 120. So AB is equal to 120 minus 105, which is equals to 15 meter. That is AB is equals to now 15 meter. That is now you have got the distance between the two parallel sides, which is 15 meter. Now you can easily find the area of a trapezium. So you can write, therefore area of a trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. So what are the parallel sides? That is BC and AD. So BC plus AD into distance between these two parallel sides, that is AB into AB. So now you can just substitute the values. Half into, what is BC? It is 48 plus, what is the value of AD? It is 40 into AB, which is 15 meters, that you have find it out just now, into 15. Now you can simplify. So we can write, that is half into 48 plus 40, which is 88 into 15. That is half into 44, that is 44 into 15. You can just simplify. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 2 fours are 8. That is 44 into 15. Now you can just get the value. So 44 into 15. So 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22 plus 4. It comes out to be 26. Now again 1 fours are 4 and 1 fours. Here you can just calculate the value. So it comes out to be, children, when you will just calculate the value, your answer will be, that is 660 meters square. It will be 660 meter square. Is it clear? So area of a trapezium is equals to 660 meter square. Got it? Now we'll just move to the next question. Now just go through question number 4. Just go through question number 4 now. Question number 7. Now, the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. So what is given? That the floor of a building, it consists of 3000 tiles and dimension of one rhombus shaped tile is given to you. Is it clear? That is, on the floor there are 3000 tiles and it is in rhombus shape, and dimension of one rhombus shaped tile is given to you, that is 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter are the measurement of the diagonals. You have to find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. If the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So first of all, children, as you know that what is the area of a rhombus? That is, it is half the product of half into D1 into D2. That is, area of a rhombus, as you know that area of a rhombus is equal to half the product of its diagonals, half into D1 into D2. Now as it is given to you, so first of all we will just find the area of a rhombus shaped tile. Okay, so we can write area of one rhombus shaped tile, area of one rhombus shaped tile is equal to half into D1 into D2. First of all, children, we will just find the area of one tile. So diagonals is, that is 45 and 30. So half into 45 into 30. So 2 ones are 2. It is 45 into 15. 45 into 15. So you can just calculate this area. So when you will just calculate, so 45 into 15. So 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, plus 2 22, 22 plus 5, it comes out to be 275. Is it clear? that is 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22 plus 5, it comes out to be 275. That is 275, it is in centimeter. So 275 centimeter square is the area of a one tile. Now you have to find the area of a floor. हमें क्या find करना है? You have to find the area of a floor. So you can just write it down. Since floor consists of how many tiles are there? That is, floor consists of 3000 tiles. Floor consists of 3000 tiles. So, area of a floor, therefore, area of a floor is equal to, it is 3000 into 275. 3000 into 275. So we can just calculate it. So 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Now children, will start with the question number 7. So please go through question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped, and each of the diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So children, what is given to you? It has been given that on the floor there are 3000 tiles and the shape of the tile is of shape of a rhombus. So dimension of one tile has been given to you and you have to find the cost of polishing the floor. So we can just write it over here. First of all, as they are rhombus shape, so what is the area of a rhombus? That is, the shape of a tile is of rhombus. That means first of all we'll just calculate the area of one tile. Okay, so as you know that area of a rhombus is equal to half of the product of its diagonals. That is, area of a rhombus is equal to half of the product of its diagonals. And so we can just find the area of a one tile which is in the shape of a rhombus, which is equals to half into d1, which is, it is given diagonal is 45 and 30 centimeter. So this is 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. That is 45 into 15, which is equal to 675 centimeter square. So this is the area of a one tile which is equals to 675 centimeter square. Now children, it is given that on a floor there are 3000 tiles. So we have to calculate the area of a floor. So we can write first, floor consists of 3000 tiles. Floor consists of 3000 tiles. So we have to calculate the area of a floor. So area of a floor is equal to 3000 into 675. Okay, that is, area of a floor is equals to 3000 into 675, which will give us the area of a floor. So 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 6s are 18, 19, 20. That is 2025, and how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. It is centimeter square. So this is the area of a floor. We can convert it into meter square also. So we can just write 2025 upon 10,000, because now we are converting centimeter square to meter square. So it will become 202.5 meter square. That is, now area of a floor is equals to 202.5 meter square. Now what you have to calculate? That is, you have to find the cost of polishing the floor. So you can see that cost of polishing per meter square is rupees 4. So we can write cost of polishing the floor per meter square is equal to rupees 4. So cost of polishing, therefore cost of polishing the floor, that is cost of polishing 202.5 meter square of the floor, 202.5 meter square of floor is equal to 202.5 into 4. Okay, that is cost of polishing 202.5 meter square of the floor is equals to 202.5 into 4. So which will come? So you can just calculate. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 9, 10, 1 4 2s are 8. That is rupees 810. So cost of polishing the floor is equals to rupees 810. Now just see the next question over here. That is the question number 8. Now go through the question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meters, find the length of the side along the river. So we have to calculate the length of the side along the river. So it is given that area of this trapezium field. You can first draw the figure. This is the rough figure. This is the river. And this is the road. This is the road. And the distance between both the parallel sides is 100 meters. This is the distance. Okay. Now, what is given to you? That is, first of all, it is given, one condition is given to you, that is side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So we can just write, let the length of the side along river is equal to x. Length of the side along the river is equals to x. Therefore, the length of the side, along the road, it has been told it is twice the river. So along the road it will become 2x. As per the condition, length of the side along the road is equals to 2x. Now, as we know that area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into distance between the distance between them. So it is given area of a trapezium is equal to, that is 10,500 meters square. So we can just substitute the value 10,500 meter square. This is the area of the trapezium field which is given to you, which is equals to half into sum of the parallel sides. So we have assumed this is x and 2x. So x plus 2x into distance between them. So what is the distance between them? It is 100 meters. So we can write here 100. Now you can just find the value. That is 10,500 is equal to 1 upon 2 x plus 2x 3x into 100. Got it? Now you can just calculate it. So therefore x is equals to 10500 into 2. We are doing the cross multiplication now, okay? Upon 100 into 3. Upon 100 into 3. So this will just cut. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. So x is equals to 35 into 2, which comes out to be 70 meter. That is the length of the side along the river is equals to 70 meter. Now we can just calculate the length along the river. So we can just write length along the river is equal to 2x. So 2 into value of x is here 70. So you can just substitute the value, which comes out to be 140 meters. So your answer is 70 meter and 140 meter. That is the length of the side along the river is equals to 70 meter and length along the river is equals to 140 meters. So this is all for today, children. In the next part we will discuss other concepts. So that's all for today. Thank you.